I spent years thinking that being a great business analyst meant being a software wizard. I thought if I mastered the tools, I would be untouchable. 10 years later, now when I look back from the real world projects in CPG, retail and manufacturing, the one thing which saved my career was never taught on how to do videos. Today I'm saying 3 things I wish someone had told me on day 1. No fluff, just the reality of this job. Data is never as clean as the courses promise. In a high pressure IT environment, you will realize quickly that the stakeholder emotions matters as much as the numbers. I wish I knew that my job wasn't just analyzing data. I was managing expectation. If the VP doesn't trust you, it doesn't matter how perfect your SQL queries are. Build the relationship first, the dashboard second. I used to get a request and I immediately start clicking buttons. Never do that. I wish I knew most of the senior business analysts are the ones who ask why before even opening an Excel. Often business ask solutions they don't really need. Your value isn't building what they ask for. It is in delivering what they actually need to solve the problem. In school, we strive for 100% accuracy. In global supply chain or a semiconductor plant, a 90% accurate answer today is often worth more than a 100% accurate answer next month. I spent too much time in early years perfecting things that were already good enough for a decision to be made. Learn to identify the minimum viable insight. It will save you from the burn. If you're just starting, don't obsess over learning every single BI tool. Tools change every 2 years. Logic and business empathy don't. Focus on understanding how your company actually makes money. That is how you bridge the gap from a user to a professional. And have seen enough project fires to know what works. Want real world perspective on business analysis and data strategy? Hit subscribe. Let's navigate this career together. What one thing you are currently struggling with? Drop it in the comment and let's talk.